Hi friend, this is Dr. Apurv Mehra. I am representing Cerebellum Academy here. And with me is Dr. Saahil Prusty. And Sahil, before we go on with this interview, I will request you to take the name of your parents, please.
My father's name is Colonel Retired S.K. Prusty, and my mother's name is Sanjukta Prusty.
Fantastic. And Sahil, heartiest congratulations to you on clearing the FMG exam 2023. Please
Thank
tell
you,
me
sir.
the score that you achieved.
So I got 191 out of 300.
Fantastic. 191 is a phenomenal score. Heartiest congratulations again to your parents, your family, and you. I think getting this word doctor in front of your name is a big thing for you and your family. I think it's not easy and it means a lot.
Yes, sir. Definitely. Even as children, we can see our parents and we can see how much stress they are in. And once I finally saw them after I told them the result, it was something not one can forget easily.
In India, it is a dream of every parent to see a doctor in the family. They
Yes,
sacrifice
sir.
their youth. They sacrifice their youth, right, to
Yes,
make you
sir.
a doctor.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes,
Sahil,
sir.
it worked for you. It doesn't work for everybody. Tell me the points that you think worked for you in this exam.
So, if I don't know how many times every teacher has said this, but repetition of the common things is what works every time and for everyone. It doesn't matter if you are super brilliant or anyone, and if you have not covered those basic points and if not repeated those basic points, it will never work for you. So, repetition is one thing that will work anytime for everyone. So if there's one thing that anyone has to take away from this interview, it is that repeat the common things.
Fantastic. So let's speak this together. Let's
Okay,
speak
sir.
this. जो आया है
जो आया है
वही आएगा
वही आएगा
जब तुमको ये समझ आएगा
जब तुमको ये समझ आएगा
तब तुम्हारा नंबर आएगा.
तब तुम्हारा नंबर आएगा.
So what you just said is read common,
Read
revise
common.
common,
Yes, sir. Revise common.
mark common. You will be commonly selected. If you go for rare, you are out of it.
Yes, sir. Rare things will very rarely change your fate. It is a qualification exam, FMG, so you don't have to run after those 20, 30 marks extra that you might get, which is very rarely will change anything of significance for you. You just have to get those 150 marks. It doesn't matter if you score 200, 300. It will never work if you don't cover the basic things.
Fantastic. How did you maintain your calm in the last week?
So last week, I inherently am not that. I don't have that nature to be very to panic that fast. So since my father is in the army, I've somewhat got that calmness in under pressure. So I just repeated the common things and repeated my notes again and again. And I don't know how many questions that I've done in those last 10 days. I was averaging about 500 questions a day in the last 10 days. So for me, doing those questions is very relaxing in the sense that I don't panic. If I read something new, obviously someone will panic. I did those common questions again and again, did the previous year questions again and again. So that made me somewhat calm.
Fantastic. So you were reading common things, you were sticking to the questions, you were sticking to the PYQs, and that kept you calm. Fantastic.
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. And when you
And
were
sir, it is.
writing, yeah.
I'll add one more thing, sir. You have to definitely surround yourself with people who have faith in you. There will be times when you will lose faith in yourself in your preparation. You will think that, am I doing the right things? Am I not doing the right things? What am I doing wrong? There'll be troughs and lows in your preparation. So surround yourself with people who have faith in you, and they will definitely provide you with the motivation that you might not have within yourself sometimes.
Fantastic. And I think this is a beautiful way to give the right message. Sahil, I want everybody who's attempting the paper to see you. You are so relaxed and calm. But what I
Yes,
want
sir.
everybody to see is your hands. Show the hands. These are the hands of a doctor. May God
Yes, sir.
give you a correct, balanced life, good, beautiful hands to heal the pain of your patients.
Yes, sir.
This world is suffering and needs good, bright doctors. What a beautiful thing your family has done. Your father
Yes, sir.
has served for the nation, and you are going to serve for the humanity. It is
Yes, sir. So
absolutely
for God Almighty, I'll add one more story, sir. Uh, it is God's grace, how God works. I don't know, sir, but the result was supposed to come out on 10th, and right now, currently, I'm in Tirupati. And yesterday, when the result came, I was in the temple itself when the result came, and as I came out, I found the result, and it was something that I don't know the uh, how things work, but there are some things in this world that we as simple human beings cannot fathom or cannot even predict. So that is some way that God works.
He got you to the place, he honored you with a
Yes, sir.
degree, and now he wants you to remember this forever that you got the degree at the right place.
Yes,
May
sir.
your heart stay as pious as you look, and may you
Thank
work
you,
in
sir.
the right direction
I,
towards. I understand.
yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
I just pray that you work in the right direction, not only for this country as your father did, not only for the human beings, but far beyond. May Dr. Sahil Prusty, we'll meet again online or offline after 10 years, and we'll
Yes,
talk
sir.
about the laurels you achieve as a doctor.
Thank you, sir.
Again, pass on wishes to your family, and we are absolutely proud of you. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank